Today I am reviewing the MLOONG X-Dragon gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's begin with what makes this beast roar: the AMD Ryzen 9800X3D processor. With 8 cores and 16 threads, a base clock speed of 4.7 GHz, and boost speeds up to 5.2 GHz. This CPU is built to handle the most demanding games and multitasking scenarios with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing high-resolution video, the 9800X3DS 3D V-Cache architecture gives you ultra-low latency and blistering in-game responsiveness. Simply put, it's a processor engineered for elite performance. Backing that up is 32GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 6000 MHz. Yes, that's DDR5, the newest and fastest memory standard available right now. This means blazing fast load times, zero lag when multitasking, and smooth gameplay even when you're running background applications like Discord, OBS, or browser tabs while gaming. It's not just fast, it's ridiculously fast. Next up, the real MVP of this rig: the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070T graphics card, equipped with a massive 16GB of GDDR5 RAM. This is a 256-bit GPU that delivers next-generation gaming with ray tracing, DLSS support, and performance that rivals even some of NVIDIA's top-tier GPUs. Expect buttery smooth frame rates at ultra settings in modern AAA titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, Call of Duty Warzone, and more. Plus, it's perfect for VR and 4K gaming setups. Storage? You're covered. This gaming PC comes with a 2TB NVMe Gen4 M.2 SSD. That's not just a mouthful, it's one of the fastest storage solutions you can get today. Your games will load in seconds, your system will boot almost instantly, and file transfers will feel lightning fast. This kind of storage isn't just fast, it's silent, power efficient, and built for the long haul. Let's talk cooling, because with power like this, you need serious airflow. The X-Dragon comes equipped with a 360mm ARGB liquid cooling system and 7 addressable RGB ring fans. Not only does this ensure your CPU and components stay cool under pressure, but it also adds stunning visuals to your setup. It's a gaming showpiece as much as it is a performance monster. And powering all of this is an 850-watt 80+ bronze certified power supply, delivering stable, efficient energy to every part of the system. It's more than enough to handle current loads and leaves headroom for future upgrades, like adding more drives or swapping in higher-end GPUs. Connectivity is rock solid too. On the front, you get 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 USB 2.0, and HD audio ports. On the rear, there's a full suite of 4 USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports for USB 2.0, DisplayPort, HDMI, and RJ45 for Gigabit Ethernet. Whether you're setting up multiple monitors, streaming, or transferring data, this PC has all the ports you need. Out of the box, the system comes with Windows 11 Home 64-bit, pre-installed and ready to go. No bloatware, no long setup. Just power it on and dive into the action. And here's a nice touch from MLOONG. They include a free oversized gaming mousepad, because they know gamers appreciate those thoughtful extras. It's part of the brand's commitment to customer satisfaction, which also includes a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. That's right, 24/7 after-sales service, so you're never stuck if something goes wrong or if you need upgrade advice later on. In terms of aesthetics, the white tower case looks clean, sharp, and modern, especially when the RGB lighting kicks in. It's the kind of rig that demands attention whether it's on a gaming desk, streaming setup, or studio workspace. At the end of the day, the X-Dragon gaming PC by MLOONG is more than just a gaming desktop. It's a high-performance, high-style machine that's ready for any challenge you throw at it. It checks all the boxes for serious gamers, streamers, content creators, and power users who demand the best. If you're looking for a pre-built that's truly plug-and-play and future-proof for years to come, this is the one. Highly recommended.